Hi everybody, Tony Harris here from TonyHarrisMentoring.com. Hope everybody's having an awesome day. I want to talk quickly about habit forming, and I guess it's an old myth. I was told many years ago, decades ago, it takes 21 days to form a habit. In actual fact, research College of London shows that it actually takes 66 days with 3 stages of habit forming. We can all form new habits, just most of us don't stick with things long enough, and therefore it continues to take our willpower to keep that ritual or habit installed in our life. And it's shown that after 66 days it becomes pretty much automatic, and they call it automaticity, which is a cool word, but it basically means it becomes automatic. First stage is hard, in the middle it gets a bit messy, but at the end it can get really great, and I'll continue to be eaten by ants. 20 days. The first 20 days what we're doing is rewiring, recoding our brain. We're kind of reinventing the neuro pathways in our brain, so that's really key for those first 20 days. And we're getting rid of the old parts of our belief system as we install new parts of our belief system. The next 20 days, they call it kind of the confusion stage, if you like, and that's confusion. A lot of us think there's something wrong when we're confused, but it really isn't. Society tells us that, if you're confused, that something's wrong with you. But in actual fact, what it is, it's kind of the next level of greatness that's before you receive the next level of greatness. And it's the next level of greatness coming to you. Think of a house renovation is a good analogy I like to use. It gets very messy. You start off, you get into the demo, and then, in the middle of it gets very messy before the new kitchen's installed, or before the new, extensions put on. So, just think of it that way. It's a good analogy. The last 20 days is integration, and the integration portion of it is when our new rhythms are installed in our brain, and we can reach automaticity. The thing is about new habits and growth, we all have the ability, we all have the capacity, we certainly have the grit, and we've got the intelligence. Just people don't stick with things long enough, and I don't think they realize that it takes 66 days before we can install these habits. It does take willpower, but the willpower you only need the willpower for 66 days, and then it becomes automatic. And then what that does, it frees up willpower to install more new habits, and you can continue to be great. Remember, you can live an optimum life completely on your terms. Be deliberate, go out there and be great today. Have a great day. Bye.